Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss the SSB Botany Lectureship question 2016. We will discuss each and every question and its answer, appropriate answer, expected answer, and along with the question and its particular answer, we will also discuss the theory behind it. So let's start. At first, the first question is, a single large cup-shaped chloroplast is the characteristic feature of Senedesmos, Pyrogyra, Chlamydomonas, Cosmarium. So here the right answer is Chlamydomonas. Then blue-green algae possess chlorophyll A, option A is chlorophyll B, option B photosystem 2, then chlorophyll D, then chloroplast. At first, blue-green alga is a prokaryotic cell, so they lack chloroplast. So option D is the incorrect one. Then chlorophyll D is present in Rhodophyta, in higher group of algae. So it is absent in blue-green alga. Chlorophyll A is present in blue-green alga. Chlorophyll B is absent. But photosystem 2 is present because they evolve oxygen. So if photosystem 2 is absent in blue-green algae, then the oxygen cannot be evolved. So as they evolve oxygen or release oxygen, they have photosystem 2. Then question number 3, Cenozospore formation is a characteristic feature of, here the right answer is Vaucaria, which is your option C. Your Gongrosira stage is also found in your Vaucaria. So here the right answer is Vaucaria. Remember another important thing, in Batrachospermum algae, Chantransia stage is present. Then the next question is question number 4. Which class of the algal group is close in pigments to Rhodophyta? So Rhodophyta have similar pigment with Cyanophyta. So here the right answer is option C. Then which of the following is the source of commercial iodine? Option A chlorophyta, option B phaeophyta, option C cyanophyta, option D xanthophyta. So generally the iodine is obtained from the laminaria, and which is a brown algae or phaeophyta. Then question number 6, parasexual phenomenon is found in Aspergillus nidulans, option B. Question number 7, which is known as the pin mold? Here the answer is option B, mucor. Then yeast is a unicellular organism. Then mosaic pattern on the leaves are caused by the infection of bacterium, nematode, virus or fungi. So mosaic disease is caused by virus. Then question number 10, citrus canker is caused by bacterium, that is Xanthomonas. Question number 11, pathogen causing rust of wheat produces spores of 5 types: uridospore, teleotospore, then basidiospore, then pycnidiospore, then aciospore. As it produces 5 types of spores, it is called as macrocyclic fungus. And this fungus, that is Poxinia, right? Poxinia completes its life cycle using two hosts that are wheat plant and barberry plant. So remember all these points. Then question number 12, lemon shaped sporangium with a distinct papilla is characteristic feature of Phytophthora. Phytophthora cause the disease late blight of potato. So here the right answer is Phytophthora. Single stranded RNA helix is present in, the answer of question number 13 is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Which is a temperate phase? So lambda phase is a temperate phase. Then question number 15, cyanobacteria differ from bacteria in evolution of oxygen. Bacteria cannot evolve oxygen, but cyanobacteria have PS2, photosystem 2, which help them to evolve oxygen. Remember this, very very important question. Well, conjugation in bacteria was discovered by, so who discovered the conjugation in bacteria? Ladderberg and Tatum in 1946. Then question number 17, partial diploids in bacteria occur after. So here the right answer is option B, sexduction. Then question number 18, mucopeptide present in the cell wall of bacterium is a polymer made up of alternating unit of NAG, N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid joined by beta 1,4 linkages. So here the right answer is option A. Then question number 19, gram negative bacteria are unable to retain gram stain because they have high level of lipid content. Then question number 20, which of the following is an archaea? Halobacterium is an archaebacteria. Then question number 21, which of the following is an aquatic bryophyte? Riccia fluitans is an aquatic bryophyte. Along with Riccia fluitans, just remember another name, Riciocarpus natans. And Riciocarpus natan is another example of your aquatic bryophyte. Then question number 22, which of the following bryophytes has symbiotic association with blue-green algae? So blue-green algae, that is nostoc, is present in Anthoceros. Then question number 23, which of the following is referred to as bog moss? So bog moss is your sphagnum is known as your bog moss. Then question number 24, who was a bryologist among the following? Option A, R.N. Singh, option B, M.O.P. Iyengar, option C, S.R. Kashyap, option D, Birbal Sahani. So here I am telling you the answer is option C, S.R. Kashyap. He is known as the father of Indian bryologist. And Birbal Sahani actually related to your paleobotany. And remember this, these two things, remember just these two things. And M.O.P. Iyengar is related to your algae phycology. Then Anthoceros may be collected from Anthoceros. Generally Anthoceros is a bryophyte, and bryophytes generally prefer to grow in moist, wet area. So the answer cannot be Rajasthan, Vindhyas and seashore. So here the answer is Himalaya. Then question number 26, which of the following is called as resurrection plant? So resurrection plant is your Silaginella lepidophylla. The whole name is Silaginella lepidophylla. Then question number 27, Glossopodium is related to, it is a very very important question. Glossopodium is related to your ligule of Silaginella. What is ligule? It is a small outgrowth which is present in your leaf base of Silaginella species. It is a water absorbing structure which helps to keep the leaf and sporangium moist. Then question number 28, sporocarps are associated with Marsilia. Spore bearing organ of Marsilia is called as sporocarp, Marsilia sporocarp. Amphiploic siphonostele is the characteristic feature of, remember this is present in your TS of the rhizome of Marsilia. What is amphiploic siphonostele? Here xylem layer is surrounded by outer phloem, inner phloem. Then question number 30, the seed known by the name chilgoja that is used as dry fruit belongs to Pinus gerardiana. Okay, so chilgoja pine is your Pinus gerardiana. Similarly, blue pine is your Pinus wallichiana. Okay. Then question number 31, coralloid root of cycas. Coralloid root of cycas is distinguished from angiospermic root by, so in coralloid root, algal zone is present. Then question number 32, living fossil. Living fossil is your ginkgo biloba, option number C. Then question number 33, winged pollen grains are the characteristic feature of Pinus. Then question number 34, the leaves of cycas shows, your xerophytic characteristic features. Cycas revoluta is widely grown as your ornamental plant. Then question number 36, sulfur sour on the Himalayan hill is related with pollen grains of pinus. Okay. Then question number 37, which is the most primitive stele? Actually the most primitive stele is your protostele, and actinostele, that means star shaped stele, is derived. It is the actinostele, it is the xylem which is surrounded by phloem. This type of stele is known as your actinostele, and it is derived from your protostele. So after protostele, actinostele is the most primitive stele. Okay. Then question number 38, synangium. Synangium, what is synangium? What is synangium at first? Synangium is your spore bearing organ of xylotom. Xylotom have 3 sporangia like this called as synangium. It is present in your xylotom. Option D is the correct answer. Then question number 39, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding sporophyte of Anthoceros? So it towards the physiological independence, reduction of sporogenous tissue, it is correct. Increased amount of sterile tissue, it is correct. Then what is the incorrect statement? The incorrect statement is it is totally independent from gametophyte. It is the incorrect one because it is partially dependent on the gametophytic plant. Then question number 40, which of the following statement is incorrect with regards to rhizia for its reproduction? So reproduction in rhizia occur through fragmentation, through adventitious branches, through tuber, but the protonema stage is absent in rhizia. So here the correct answer is option C. The term jettenogamy refers to pollination from of stigma by pollen of different flower of the same plant. But when it is the flower, it is the pollen of same flower to the stigma of the same flower called as the autogamy. Then Malacophilous flowers are slug and snail. It is not small, it is snail pollinated flowers. Then pollinium formation is characteristic feature of, actually it is present in Asclepiadaceae as well as your Orchidaceae. So here the answer is both B and C. You can also tell that orchid is the right answer. You can also tell that Calotropis is the right answer. Then question number 44, generally endosperm in angiosperm. Angiosperms are generally triploid, but in case of gymnosperm it is haploid in nature. Then question number 55, aril is found in your lychee. Then question number 46, velamen tissues are found in aerial roots of your hygroscopic roots. Then prop roots are found in banyan. Option B is the correct answer. Then pneumatophores are generally found in, these are breathing roots and negatively geotropic roots, and these are found generally in mangrove plants, and one of the example of mangrove plant is your rhizophora. So option B is the correct answer. Then question number 49, asparagus. Asparagus is an example of your cladode. Then question number 50, offset is a subbarial modification for vegetative propagation and perennation which is found in your Eichhornia. Option B is the right answer. Then question number 51, Amorphophallus campanulatus is an example of rhizome. No, it is an example of your corm. Option B is your right answer. Then question number 52, phylloid is a modification of your petiole and it is present in your Australian acacia. Then outgrowth from the leaf base which usually protects the young axillary buds. The answer is your stipule. Then question number 54, figs podges, typical type of inflorescence called as hypanthodium. Verticillaster is a complex inflorescence found in Labiati or Lamiaceae family. Then question number 56, syngenesis stamen. Syngenesis stamen, what is the meaning of syngenesis stamen? Here anthers are fused but filaments are free, which is found in your Compositae or Asteraceae family. Then question number 57, a condition where transverse ovule may be bent like a horseshoe so that micropyle is brought nearer to the chalazal end. This type of ovule is called your horseshoe type of ovule is called your campylotropous ovule. Then question number 58, new roots growing from near the base of the radicle called as fibrous root. Then question number 59, which of the family has false septum called rhiplum and it is present in your Brassicaceae family? Option B is the correct answer. Then Siliqua is a fruit of family, so Siliqua is present in your Cruciferae, so option A is the correct one. Then question number 61, a population of individual species which are genetically different called as your ecotype. Then question number 62, which of the following group of plants which are rooted hydrophyte with floating leaves which is present in your Trappa, then Nelumbo, then Nymphia, all these have floating leaves. Then Vivipary is found in your Rhizophora because Vivipary is present in your mangrove plants. Then question number 64, Silent Valley of Kerala is preserved because it has rare species of plants and animals. Then question number 65, which of the following is or are the stages of xeroxere? So crustose lichen stage, foliose lichen stage, both of these are present in your xeroxere. So here the correct answer is both A and B. Then question number 66, it is said that Taj Mahal may be destroyed due to air pollution and air pollutants which are released from oil refinery of Mathura. Then question number 67, the scientist who developed Avena coleoptile curvature test was F.W. Wendt. Then question number 68, root initiation is promoted by auxin, option A auxin. Which of the following plants are day neutral plants? So the option A is correct. Mirabilis, Lycopersicum esculentum, Pisum sativum, all these are day neutral plant. The day length do not have any effect on these plants. Then question number 70, type of culture in which plants grown in aqueous nutrient solution known as hydroponic culture. Then question number 71, most of the plant absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates and nitrites, NO3 or NO2 or ammonia. Solar energy transfer among pigment in antenna of plant is purely a physical phenomenon. Then PS2, photosystem 2 oxidizes water to oxygen in the thylakoid lumen, in the luminal side of the thylakoid. Then question number 74, carotenoids give their characteristic orange color in 400 to 500 nanometer region because, why it occur? Because it has multiple conjugated double bonds. Then question number 75, which type of leaves show burst of fluorescence? So here the correct answer is an actively photosynthesizing leaves. Then which of the following type of transporters use the energy? So ABC transporter use energy in the form of ATP. Then question number 77, which statement is false with regards to Casparian strip? The presence of Casparian strip allows the plant to maintain higher concentration in xylem than soil environment. Casparian strip is suberized thickening. Then Casparian strip in endodermis is a course to the plant. Why it is the incorrect statement? Then question number 78, the non-polar molecules show tendency to associate with another water compared with other low polar solvent. This tendency is called your hydrophobic effect. Then psi S and psi P are not easily separated because they have metric potential. Then question number 80, facilitated diffusion occur by the membrane pore in thermodynamically uphill region via channel, protein channels. Zygotin is characterized by recombination nodule, synapses, bivalent. So all these things occur in your zygotin, but in pachitin crossing over occur. Then question number 82, 4 separate chromatids are visible in which stage of the meiotic prophase 1? So it is the pachitin. in Pachytene stage, you can see the tetrad stage. Then prophase of mitosis possesses following events. So the following events are disappearance of nuclear envelope, disassembly of nucleolus, orderly arrangement of chromosome in non-active motion. Then the question number 84, which of the following combination is the correct for chromatin? So here the right answer is option D, DNA 35%, histone 30%, RNA 10%, non-histone 25%. Then question number 85, which of the following is arginine rich? So arginine rich is your H3, H1 is your lysine rich. Question number 86, cytoskeleton term is applied to fabric of microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament. So option D is your correct one. Then question number 87, which of the following sequence is correct with respect to time taken by stages in cell division? So yes, it is the right answer is option A. Prophase is the longest phase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase. Then question number 88, randomly placed chromosome in active motion in mitotically dividing cell is characteristic feature of pro-metaphase, because in metaphase they align in the equatorial plate. Then question number 89. Question number 89 is your cell cycle is regulated by master control molecule known as, so here cyclins and CDKs actually control the cycle, cell cycle. So here CDK and cyclin is not mentioned in your option. So here option C is correct, that is kinase. Then how many DNA molecules will be there in a mitotic metaphase chromosome of a dividing cell? So it is 2. Option C 2. Then 91, NOR occur in the region of chromosome. In which region of the chromosome? It is secondary constriction. Then question number 92, when we cross heterozygote F1 red and tall plant with double recessive white and dwarf plant, they may be assigned to, so it is your 1:1:1:1 test cross. Okay, because double recessive means recessive parents. So when we cross the F1 hybrid with the recessive parent, it is called as the test cross. So here when we are doing the dihybrid cross, the test cross ratio is always 1:1:1:1. But when we carry out the monohybrid cross, the test cross ratio will be 1:1. So remember these things. Then 93 number question, secondary constrictions are distinguished from the primary constriction. How? So absence of marked angular deviation of chromosome segment during anaphase. So during separation, they show different characters. Then question number 94, the heterochromatin condensed only in certain cell or at special stage of development is appropriately referred to as facultative heterochromatin. Core particle of nucleosome obtained after extensive digestion by the enzyme contain only 146 base pair. Then which of the following ratio relates to complementary gene? The answer is 9:7. Option C, 9:7. Then question number 97, coupling and repulsion phenomenon are associated with, so it is associated with your linkage. Then question number 98, fusion of nucleated and anucleated different somatic cells results in the formation of hybrid. Then the region of attachment of RNA polymerase in lac operon. So RNA polymerase attached to the lac operon at the which site? At promoter site. Then the last question, which of the following feature is a feature of eukaryotic transcription? So transcription is the first stage of your protein synthesis, first step of your protein synthesis, where the DNA, from DNA mRNA is formed. Then after that the translation process occur, where the mRNA is converted to protein. So here RNA is transcribed by a single RNA polymerase. No, There are many RNA polymerases. mRNA are short lived. No, it is long lived. mRNA have their starting ends blocked by 7 methyl guanosine. So it is the correct answer because they have 7 methyl guanosine at one end. mRNA do not contain poly A segment at their 3' end. No, it is the incorrect one. mRNAs have poly A tail at their 3' end. So it is your 100 question of your SSB Botany Lectureship Examination 2016. So we have our SSB Botany Lectureship Examination in near future. So we have to prepare the previous year question papers. So here it is. I hope you really get benefit from this video. So please like it, share with your other friends and subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. In my next class I will discuss the question paper of 2018. Okay, so please stay tuned and study hard. Thank you.